Next point in this module is need of marketing in non-profit sector, or it's also called non-profit organizations. All right, you must have heard the word very commonly called NGO, non-government organization. Okay, but there is something also called NPO, non-profit organizations. It is also called non-profit sector. So which are the examples of non-profit organizations in our country? Now these are some of the companies, some of the organizations logos that I have mentioned over here, which you might have seen somewhere. Okay, first is CRY, Child Rights and You. Okay, then Orphanage for Children, Happy Home for Children. So it's an advertisement of one or logo of one orphanage. Then there is one society called ICS, Indian Cancer Society. So how the logo is I can. So I is been highlighted, can has been highlighted, but it stands for Indian Cancer Society, Rise Against the Cancer. Then there is one organization, one NPO, non-profit organization, that works for the ending the AIDS or curbing the AIDS or controlling the AIDS in the India. And there is one more NPO called Beti Bachao and Save the Girl Child. So they are working absolutely for the saving and upbringing and development of the girl childs. All right, so this is how these are some of the NPOs, non-profit organizations in our country. So we'll see what is the need of marketing in non-profit sector, whether non-profit sectors are also requiring marketing activities. Yes, non-profit sector also, or the companies in the non-profit sector are also requiring the marketing activities. As I told you, you might be thinking that any organization is there which is eventually working for the sake of profit earning, but there are some organizations which are raising the funds and earning the profits not for the sake of their own interest but for the societal interest. Okay, so first we'll try to understand what is non-profit organization is. NPO or non-profit organization is an organization that uses its funds to pursue a specific purpose such as charitable cause or philanthropical cause. What is the meaning of philanthropical? Philanthropy means benevolent, means one any activity which is being done for the societal interest, which is being done for the people who are deprived of basic amenities and basic facilities. If any person is there, when any person is helping out the poor people in society, is helping out to the class in the society which is deprived of basic facilities and amenities, so that person is called philanthropical person. In the same way, the organization or NPO is working for a specific purpose such as charitable cause or philanthropical cause rather than pursuing profits for its own benefit. So these organizations also earn profits, but they don't spend that profit amount for their personal interest, but they spend that amount for the sake of welfare of the deprived strata, deprived people in the society. Okay, sometimes it is necessary for the non-profit organizations to invest some money in the brand awareness, in the cause awareness program. Brand awareness is also important and cause awareness is also important over here. How brand awareness? See, these are the logos I just shown you. CRY or Indian Cancer Society or Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. These are the brand images or the brand logos of these organizations. But here, what is the cause and action of these organizations, that they have to spend some money in order to generate the awareness in the society, and that's why they have to invest some money into the marketing strategies or promotional strategies in the society. So it is quite effective and quite important to understand that when such organization is working for the deprived people in the society or some needful people in the society, that time they also require marketing activities to understand which are those people who are in the real need of some basic amenities. Now, see this CRY, Child Rights and You. So they work for the children, the child laborers. They can work for them. They can work for the children coming from the poor families who are not affording to have some basic education. There are some families who are not affording to give basic amenities and education to their children. So this CRY organization is working for such children, such kids. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Save Girl Child. So this organization works for saving and looking after the children, the female children, the girl child, which are in the need of the basic amenities and proper upbringing. So these organizations work only and only for a specific cause, which is a philanthropical cause, which is a charitable cause. Okay, so marketing is particularly important for the non-profit organizations, as they usually need ways to market their cause, to increase the awareness about their cause and work to the volunteers who would want to help such people, who would want to donate and do something for such people, for such child in the society. And that's why they can come ahead and they can give something to this, to such organizations. Now see, for example, suppose there is one person who always wishes to do something for some childs or some blind people or some blind children for their education. Now, if he doesn't know whether there is an organization working for the blind children's education, he will not be able to do something for such child or for such children. But if any NPO is there, any non-profit organization is available in the society which is working on the blind children's education, and if that organization is spending some money in generating the awareness in the society, somehow through their marketing campaign, through their promotional campaign, the news will reach to this person or many such people or many such persons who are ready to do something for the society, ready to do something for the blind children's education, and they will go ahead and they will donate some amount to such NPOs, and the NPO will utilize that amount for the education of blind children. So it is much harder for the non-profit organization to gain the audiences in the same way that other business houses are getting, because the number of people who are benevolent in nature, who are philanthropical in nature, is very limited, and that's why the marketing strategy or promotional strategy has to be very specific in terms of the NPOs. The purpose of non-profit marketing is to have a way for non-profits to market their cause in the way that encourages the people to help, which could be a dramatically different way than a traditional business would able to get the attention. So this is how even the non-profit sectors or organizations are also in the need of promotional activities and marketing activities.